my name is Deanna Russell, and I'm a clinical aromatherapist, registered aromatherapist, and essential oil therapist. I work with massage professionals and beauty professionals, and what I do to help them is find ways of incorporating more natural treatments into their programs. This course is different in that there aren't any tests and quizzes. Rather, it's a much more practical and hands-on approach and things that you can do easily and quickly and effectively into your treatment space for your clients. I've broken down the course into sections and modules like basic introduction to carrier oils, base oils, value-added oils, and high-value oils, and infused herbal oils. Also at the end, there is practical application tips for massage therapists and a separate section just for the beauty professionals. There aren't any prerequisites for this course. However, I do recommend that if you're going to be using a lot of aromatherapy in your practice, that you do take the Aromatherapy Foundational Concepts course at some point. Other than that, you should be a professional massage therapist or a beauty professional, or have an extensive interest in carrier oils. I'm looking forward to working with you as you provide a next level of service for your clients in your business.